Crazy multifunctional amphibian all-terrain crawler. Amazing explosive power. 10-level waterproof rating. Sweep all enemies in field battle. Select 4 different steering patterns according to the terrain. Front wheel single-axis torque flexible turning. Break through the barriers easily. Rear wheel single-axis torque. The car could be out of danger in adversity quickly. The 4-wheel reserve pattern makes up the disadvantage of steering. Scooted hairpin and narrow curve terrain. Magical 4-wheel serpentine drive skill. Free driving among different obstacles. A new version, multifunction amphibian all-terrain crawler, Crazy. Accept challenges so that you may feel the exhilaration of victory.